Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. You must be signed into iCloud with your Apple ID and two-factor authentication enabled. Once done, open Settings on iPhone or System Settings on Mac and go to iCloud Mail. Make sure software is up to date and you're on a trusted Wi-Fi network. Now choose whether to create a brand new at iCloud.com email address or add an existing email to your account. This decision affects mailbox syncing and forwarding. Follow the prompts to begin. Next, enable iCloud Mail by toggling Mail on in iCloud settings when creating a new at iCloud.com address, pick a name and confirm availability. If adding an existing email, choose Add Email and complete verification. Check that inbox for a code or confirmation link and enter it when prompted. Once verified, configure syncing options. Choose which folders to sync, set the iCloud account as default if desired, and adjust signature and reply settings. These steps ensure your messages flow smoothly between devices. To finish, send a test message from the new or added address and confirm it arrives in inbox and sent on each device. Make sure Mail appears in the Mail app and via iCloud.com. If messages don't sync, sign out and back into iCloud or toggle Mail off then on and restart the device. This often forces a refresh. Also verify storage space and review filters or forwarding rules that might hide messages. If problems persist, check Apple ID settings and re-verify the email address.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.